¿Qué pasó, everybody? Welcome back. So it's been a couple of months since I worked on the Impala or made a video on it. So there we go. This is what it's looking like right now. Painted the wheels. Motor still the same. Nothing has changed there. This side, painted the wheels. Started sanding it down and primering it. But today we're going to try and put together this dash right here. So I've never done one before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it together to see what parts I'm missing and to see what parts I have. So let's go into the trunk. Get my key. See if I can get it. Haha. So you can see I got a whole lot of stuff in here. I don't know what this is for. Maybe for the front bumper or something. I don't know, I've been trying to figure it out, but sepa. So I got tail lights. So let me start taking things out. Got a glove box. I think I got two glove boxes actually. One right there. One right here. I got horns, clusters. What are those? Rear armrests or panels or something. Speakers. I got all kinds of chrome over there. I haven't even gone through this, but oh, look. Step. But let me take some of this stuff out and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so this is what we got here. And excuse the mess. Building the little chopper for my kid. Got an engine, gonna rebuild that. And then right there, that inline 6 is gonna go in the 52 Bel Air Deluxe. And the guy that owns that car knows how to do body work and paint. So I'm gonna build that motor, put it in his car, get his car running. He's gonna paint the Impala, so excited for that. But back to the video. So that we got that big piece. All right, we got that little piece, and I don't know which one goes first. I don't know if this one bolts into that one and it goes in as one whole thing, or that one goes in first and then this one, but we're gonna figure it out. We got two glove boxes. This is an Impala one. I think this is a Caprice one, not sure. But I like this one because it has the color of my interior, which is turquoise. So my interior is turquoise and my exterior is going to be white. We got the climate control unit thingy. We got a cluster. I got 3 clusters. This is the worst one of them all. So I might have a little fun with this one, take it apart and put like gauges on it. I don't know, we'll see. And then I also got these right here. I'm gonna order these new. I just wanted to see where they went and what they're held in with. And I'm gonna put all this together with. You guys see it? Maybe, maybe not. And I got this off of eBay. Right there. That's what it comes with. 95 screws. Let's get to it. Let's see if we can make the inside look a little prettier. The way this bolts up, got that, oh, glare, that. So it's got those little thingies all around. Before we go too far, we'll get the other piece. Let's figure out how this goes. Alright, so I figured it out. Oh, shit, se va a caer. Okay, so this goes right here. Somehow. Okay. So it goes through the outside, and then I'm done. Where's it at? See that? That hole lines up. That hole lines up. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that go onto that. And then this one goes all the way through and bolts onto the dash. Okay, so I came to my first problem. So I was looking in my kit to see if I have screws for this, because when you put them in there, they do not go through. Alright, so you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Gosh, let me see if I can take one out. See that? So that's what's in there. It just slides in. So we need to find screws, and I couldn't find them here for the bezel or something that are small enough to go right there. So what I did is I went to my shed, and right there I got a Tupperware of bolts. So this is the solution I came up with. So these are headlight bezels, bolts. So they go right there. All right. I don't know, it's on the video. I took them off. They hold the little ring. Okay. They hold the ring that holds the headlight in. So that's one. Two. And you're only gonna be able to tighten them so much because it's gonna hit the bezel on the bottom. But they work for now until I get the right screws. And I'm assuming these black ones, which is number 7 bezel screws, go right there. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, can't see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's what's in here. 5. Let's see how these chrome ones fit there. You got a little washer. There we go. It's a nice Type 4 glove box. Alright, so that's that right there. Open it to the inside. Just fix 1, 2, 3. WD-40, but oh, it does open. But I wonder if there's a way to take that out. Alright, but goodness. Hold on. You guys see that was a little violent. So what I'm gonna do is maybe but like I was saying, I'm kind of regret not putting the cluster on. Now I don't know if I have all the bolts to hold it on there if I ever buy a new one or whatever, but whatever, oh well. That climate control goes right there. I'll put it on right now. Let's do that next, even though it's not gonna work, but just so we can fill up that hole. Alright, so I tried to put this climate control on there, but it's not the right one. So I don't know what year that's off of, but I mean, what else can I do? Alright, so it's a couple days later. This is the one that came in the trunk that I thought was for my car, but it's not. So I went and picked this one up right here. But now is how am I gonna bolt it up? So I wonder if it's missing any brackets up here or something, because I don't have anything. So I wonder if I'm missing some brackets that hold the heater unit in and the CD, or the, what the hell is that? The radio on. But I don't know. So let's see. Let's see how this even goes in. Oh shit. Okay, so from the bottom. Alright. Come on, be nice. Okay. Alright. So I can see that one so far. But I think there should be a bracket to help it stay up on the inside for that and the radio. So I guess I'll just put these two on. That's what it came with, these little things. But I think I'm gonna need some washers or something. Try it out. Don't fall. What the hell? Okay, so these do not fit that. Puta madre. So alright, so we have to find some bolts so I can bolt this in. But that's what happens when we get somebody else's project. They take it all apart thinking they're gonna do a full restoration in their backyard, and you know, but there it is. That's pretty much the whole dash put together. Need a radio. I'm gonna order the ashtray on Classic Industries. They got it for like 40 bucks, and then got that side to put the little chrome over there. So now I need to make a list of what I'm missing, start ordering parts, figure out if I can find a bracket for that part so I can hold the climate control on and the radio in, and take it to the painter. Hopefully he can get it done. Painted turquoise, that's the color of my interior. So alright guys, so thanks for watching, and come back for future videos.